In this lecture, I want to talk about HTML entities. I delete all of them and clean my page. If I want to publish p tag and type p tag, save, refresh, nothing happened. I want publish p tag here, and for doing this I should use HTML entities. For example, in paragraph, use ampersand LT, then type comma and type P, then ampersand greater than. LT means less than, GT means greater than. And I don't want to use this for now. Save, refresh. There you go. I publish less than and greater than and p tag. Okay, there are several HTML entities, and this is a HTML entity name. For example, if you want to use n dash, m dash, m space, and etc. Ampersand, less than, ampersand LT, and greater than, ampersand GT. Okay, I put it in paragraph. I want to use another one. For example, create a new paragraph and or ampersand copy. I think the C is capital. No, copy and semicolon by atf. Save, refresh. There you go. This symbol, C symbol, means copy. Copy by atf. Excellent. Please test it, all of them, and see the changes in www.downshorts.com HTML entities, or you can search it on Google and find other ones and test it by yourself. Okay, if you have any questions,